Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to change this old looking boring jacket into a designer one, so let's get started. The things you need is some patches like this. Now you get this online in Amazon also, and then you need scissor, needle, thread, and of course glue and some other sparkle stones and whatever is there with you available. Now I'm going to first design my patches. I'm going to see where exactly it fit in, and then I'm going to trim the patches, and this is what it looks like after I properly trim the patches. And now I'm going to decide where I'm going to place this and create my own design so that it will look perfect. So I'm going to cut this, take this off, and I'm going to use this at the back of this jacket. Now with the help of a glue, I'm going to stick these patches on the jacket. Tip number one, make sure you have a picture in your mind of how you want your jacket to look like, and this will be easy for you to create your own design. I'm going to design the back of this jacket. And for that I'll be using the leftover patches and also some sparkles and create my own designs and add some more stones so that it will look. And with the help of a needle I'm going to stitch this, and with the help of a glue I'm going to stick this again and complete the look. So this was it for today's video. I hope you people like the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.